Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into how to remove email from Samsung Phone 2025. Whether you're switching to a new email, cleaning up your accounts, or just decluttering your phone, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Samsung phone is unlocked and you're on the home screen. This process is super straightforward on the latest Samsung models like the Galaxy S25 or any device running One UI 7.0 or higher. Start by opening the Settings app. It's that gear icon you see on your app drawer or quick access menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. This section manages all your connected accounts, including emails. You'll see a list of your added accounts here. Look for the email you want to remove. Maybe it's Gmail, Outlook, or another provider, and tap on it. Now, in the Account Details page, you'll find an option that says, Remove Account, or something similar. Tap on that, and your phone might ask for confirmation to ensure you really want to delete it. Go ahead and confirm. Don't worry, this won't affect your emails on other devices, but it's always a good idea to back up any important data first. After confirmation, the email account will be removed from your phone. You might need to restart your device for the changes to fully take effect. That's it, quick and painless. Removing an email can help free up space and improve your phone's performance, especially if you have multiple accounts synced. If you're using a Samsung phone from 2025, remember that software updates might slightly vary the interface, so keep your device updated. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and hit that bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.